Sure.
I said, good evening. My name is King David. And then what I do is I share business opportunities with people. That's basically what I do. And then I try as much as possible to make them understand what we are doing. For quite some time now, we have been trying our best to share opportunities with people. And then to God be the glory, we have attained certain level of results. And then I've traveled to different states to teach this particular business, and then have teach this business for quite some time. There was a time last year I had to teach the business for 50 days straight, every single day. And then we have helped a lot of people to achieve some millions, right? So many young people, elderly people, civil servants, and the rest. They were able to attain a level of freedom. Some people, we were able to help them to leave the jobs that they didn't like. So many people like that. So whatever category you're on, right, this business is for you. If you're a business person, you can actually do the business. If you are a civil servant, this business is for you. If you don't have a business at all, this business is for you. One thing I want you to be able to have in the back of your mind is that whatever you're doing, you should have a goal, right? We should have a goal of why we are doing that thing that we're doing. So your goal will determine how you're going to even run the business, right? Your goal will determine how you're going to run the business. We have given instance to so many people, like this is the instance. Let me just give you the instance. Now, if I tell you um today I have 50 million naira for you in Sokoto, right? I have 50 million naira for you guaranteed in Sokoto. And all you are required to do is to get to Sokoto by 6 a.m. tomorrow with 20 persons. And then uh, you're going to collect that 50 million, right? So a lot of people will, if I ask you now, you're going to say you will be there by 6 a.m. tomorrow with 20 people in Sokoto. But now, if I ask you a question, do you have anybody in mind that you are thinking you're going to go with him or her to Sokoto? Do you have the 20 people already in your mind or written down? No. But you are sure that you're going to get 20 persons to Sokoto. The reason is because of the goal. The goal is 50 million. So you are going to do whatever it takes to get to that place. So basically, that is what I'm trying to say. If we have a goal, the means will come. Right? If you have a goal and then that goal if you have a goal and that goal is strong enough, you are going to have the means to achieve that goal. So that is why in any of our meetings, we try as much as possible to make sure you create a goal in your mind. That is what you need. A goal that you will not be able to sleep until you achieve it. So the bigger the goal, the more energy you're going to put in the business. The bigger the goal, the more energy you're going to put in the business, right? No matter the business you are on right now, the goal will determine um, if you're going to do very well. Now, this business, particular business, has the ability, right? There is a lot of money in this business. Over the last 2 years, over $2 billion has been shared to the participant of this business. So there is a lot of money to go around. There's a lot of money to go around. So if you're coming to this business to make 10 million naira, you're going to make the 10 million naira. If you're here in this business to make 50 million naira, you're going to make. If you're here in this business, you just want to make 10,000 naira, you're going to make that 10,000 naira. It depends to a great extent the amount of money you want to make, right? Now, what is the business about? This particular business is a cryptocurrency business, or as we call it, it's a blockchain business, right? It is called Metaforce, right? This particular business is called Metaforce. So I'm going to start sharing my screen so that you will understand what I'm talking about, right? I believe you can see my screen.
Very
All
well.
right. The business is called Metaforce. If you just type metaforce.space, you're going to get to this website, right? Now, if you read what is on the screen, an ecosystem that combines gaming, earnings, virtual reality, play, invest, earn, and all these things are part of the business, right? All these things are part of the business. So whatever I'm going to tell you today might be just a fraction of what is actually in the business. There is a lot of things in the business, but just what I'm going to tell you is just a fraction of what is in the business. Metaverse is a whole ecosystem. It's a whole blockchain ecosystem. It has metaverse, it has play to earn games, it has virtual reality, it has a lot of things, right? So I'm going to just scroll down. This is the website. I'm going to scroll down and show you some of the things that are in the business. This is our virtual reality, right? The Neo DAO, right? We have this is the
Yeah.
metaverse overview, right? A lot of things are in the business. A lot of things. This is the metaverse, right? A lot of things. We have the Uniteverse, we have the Tactile, we have the Boost, we have the Overreal. If you check very well, if you check very well, you will see Uniteverse you can join, while and the Tactile you can join, while the Boost is coming soon, and then Overreal is also coming soon. So what I tell people is that at this point in time in the business, you're actually early in the business, right? You're very, very early. Some of the things about the business is called NFT, right? NFTs are virtual reality. Now, if you don't know what NFTs are, just go and you can go online, go on YouTube and check what NFTs are. But the difference between the one you're going to see on YouTube and this one is that NFTs in this business is like owning a share in this particular business. Is royalty. Royalty in the sense that you can grow your business to a certain extent where you can be able to, you'll be getting dividends. Now, every 4 weeks, we are being paid royalty. The least
Mm.
amount of money people collect at royalty is around $30. So many people collect thousands of dollars from royalty NFT. It depends on the status that you are on the NFC. So you can grow your business to that level where you can just fold your arms and then be receiving royalty. Thousands of dollars, like the last payment is around $100. The least amount of money that was collected was $100. So that is how NFTs are being shared, royalties rather are being shared in the business, right? Now,
Yeah.
there's a marketplace that you can sell NFT, and our NFTs, the least amount or the least amount of money you can spend to get an NFT, you can actually come online now and buy an NFT or grow your business to NFT status, right? Now, the least amount of money you need, the least NFT, you need to spend over $3,500 to get that particular NFT and then start getting royalty. A lot of monies are being people are getting a lot of money from these NFTs, right? Now, like normal business is a conventional society. Every society has a legal tender. A legal tender is what you need to transact in that particular ecosystem. And then in our ecosystem, you need first coin. I hope you're following me, right? In our
Yeah.
ecosystem, you need first coin. First coin is just a legal tender that we use, that we call it the native token, or the core of the economy, or the core of the Metaforce ecosystem, right? It is the core of the Metaforce ecosystem. You need First Coin to do whatever it is you want to do in the ecosystem. Now, the reason why I said earlier that you are still early in this business is this. You're still early because First Coin is not yet in the market. First Coin is not yet in the market. So at the end of this meeting, please find your way to earn or to buy First Coin. The reason is simple. First Coin started pre-sale at 25 cents last year around April. Right now, it is at $2.77. Now, the mechanism that was employed for First Coin to be distributed to the participant adverse is the mechanism, and then it is the one that makes First Coin to grow up in value as people are buying it. Right now, First Coin is at $2.77, right? First Coin is at $2.77, and you can get it. It has done over 700% right now, and then it is yet not out. It is yet at a pre-sale, right? Yet at a pre-sale. So whatever you're going to listen or whatever you're going to hear this night, make sure you get First Coin before it enters the market. First Coin has utility. It has the community that is going to build to over $1,000, more than $1,000. See, Firstcoin is one of the cryptocurrencies that we have, one of the native tokens, or the native token of the Metaverse ecosystem that is going to do very, very well, right? It is going to do very, very well. If you're in the crypto space, you will know that any community or any ecosystem that has a good number of people, it tends to do very well, right? Now, in the Metaverse ecosystem, we have over 1.9 million participants already, right? And then First Coin has over 300,000 holders. That is a very good number of holders for first coin, right? And then we have a lot of utility. What is the first coin going to be needed for, right? A lot of things already in place. So that is the mechanism that was employed by the Metaforce ecosystem. Create utility first before you even launch a coin to the market, right? First coin is going to enter the market very, very soon. And then I'll advise you to make sure you get first coin as soon as possible, right? We have the first coin wallet that is coming, first coin dex, game bridge academy. All these things are part of the first coin or the Metaforce ecosystem. A lot of things that are coming. We have the physical product, that's the tactile goods and tactile a lot of things, right? A lot of things in the Metaforce ecosystem. You can see the marketplace. You can see, but on your right, yeah, you have the staking, special staking. All these things are the roadmap of Metaforce ecosystem, right? Now, because of this class, I'm going to just focus on the tactile, right? Tactile is just like the entry part of the business, and then when you come through the tactile, you're going to do whatever it is that you want to do in the business. So anybody that's coming to the business must sign up in the Metaforce ecosystem. You must sign up. You must do. You must sign up. You must be connected to somebody. Somebody must give you a link before you can get connected. So if you get the link, that is when you'll be able to sign up. When you sign up, you can buy your first coin. You can do your tactile. You can play your games. You can engage in the metaverse. Whatever it is that you want to do, you can do it, but you have to be connected to the system. And then how you get connected to the system is simple. You need a decentralized wallet. That means Trust Wallet. You need Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, or MetaMask. You can connect that wallet to the Metaforce ecosystem. Just get to the person that sent you this video or invited you to this session, and then you'll be able to connect to the system, right? Is that okay? Now, I'm going to explain to you the tactile part of the business. Like as I said, the tactile part of the business is just like an entry part of this particular opportunity, right? Now, I'm going to try and get the tactile PDF so that I can share it also with you, right? So tactile metrics marketing. Let me open it. But are you following me?
We're here. Yes, we're here.
Yeah, okay. So this is the tactile part of the business, right? This is tactile. So this is tactile.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. On your left, you can see the tactile has the tactile has cosmetics, right? So let me change my pen to let me change the color of this pen. All right. These are physical products that are coming up in the business. We have the cosmetic, we have the clothes, we have the tea, we have the meats. All these things are coming up in the business. And then the tactile has levels 1 to levels 12. And then you can see here, it has cashback, right? If you're familiar with the term cashback is just money back guarantee. You go to the market, you purchase a particular product, but they give you a cashback guarantee. Most supermarkets, big supermarkets do that, but they give you maybe 0.01 cashback reward from the money you have spent. But in this particular business, you get 100% cashback guarantee. For instance, when you spend 100,000 naira to purchase any products on the tactile part of the business, you receive 100% cashback reward. It is amazing. This particular part of the business, my mind cannot even comprehend giving 100% cashback reward, right? No, it doesn't happen. So that is why when we explain to people, they don't really get what we are talking about. How can you say that a business gives you 100% cashback reward? But it happens. We have seen it. We're experiencing it already, right? 100% cashback reward. We have the sealed NFT, right? This is the sealed NFT. We have the unsealed NFT. All these things that you're seeing, you're going to enjoy it in the near future. All these things, they are not live yet, right? All the things that are live yet, I say they are live. Like the first coin, you can buy and sell it in the ecosystem. The tactile, you can start making your own money in the tactile, right? So let's go and then let's continue so that we'll be able to understand the tactile better, right? Let me see. All right. Let's go to the next page. All right. So, as I said, Tactile has levels 1 to levels 1 to level 12. Right? Levels 1 to level 12. All right, I'm trying to clear the drawing. So levels 1 to level 12. And then each of these levels, they have a price tag. Each of these levels have a price tag. All of them have a price tag. Okay. All right. Coming. Let me try to move. All right. They have a price tag. Let me show you the prices of levels. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. These are the price tag of each level on this ecosystem, right? Level 1 is $5. Level 2 is $10, right? Level 2 is $10. Level 3 is $15. Sorry, $20, right? $20. Right, here is it. Level 6, as you can see, is $160, while level 12, any of these monies that you're seeing, the die you're seeing here is dollars. So $1 is equal to one die. $1 is equal to one die. So all you need to sign up the business is there already. So if you want to sign up the business and then you want to spend $35, that means you're going to activate level 1, level 2, and level 3. That is 5, 10, and 20. That's $35, right? So you check very well for easy calculation. Level 1 is $5. If you multiply level 1 by 2, you get level 2, right? If you multiply level 2 by 2, you get level 3. That is how we get to this level 12. Now, the reason why all of us need to be on level 12 is simple. Level 1 pays $5, while level 12 pays you $10,240. Now, for instance, somebody has told you, maybe somebody told you that he has made over $10,000 in the business. Now, it's very, very possible simply because level 12, one payment on level 12 is $10,240. I'm going to show you how each of these level pay you money. I'm going to show you how they pay you money. Now, when you activate levels on the Tactile, this is what you're going to see, right? Don't forget this particular level. You can even screenshot this particular level. Don't forget level 1 is $5, level 2 is $10, level 3 is $20, like that, right? I don't want you to forget this part, even though I'm going to come back to explain it better, right? Let me try and show you something very, very important on these levels. Let me show you something very, very important. All right. All right. Okay. So when you activate each of these levels, see it here. This is what I want to show you. All right. If you check very, very well, you will see $5 here. You can zoom it, right? You can zoom the screen if you are not seeing this clearly. Level 2 is $10, right? See it here, $10. Level 3, $20. Now, this is what I want you to see. This particular level 1, has 6 positions. See them here, 3 here, and then 3 on the other side, right? 3 here. While this level 3 only has 3 positions, right? 3 position, 1, 2, and then 3, right? Now, if you check very well, all these levels here, all of them here, they are all the same or similar. the same rather. The only difference is the price. So level 3 is $20, while level 6 is $160. Level 9 is $1,280. Level 10, $10,240. So in simple terms, this business is divided into two parts, or the marketing tactile is divided into two major parts, right? It's divided into two major parts. The first one is the S6, right? We call it the S6. See it here. It is written here, while the ones here, they are X3. The reason is simple. These ones, they have 3 positions, while the S6, all the ones here, they are called S6 because they have 6 position, right? S6, X6, let me write it, S6, while these ones are X3, right? Because they have 3 positions. Now, in simple terms, any S6 pays you, let me clear all this, right? Every S6, all the ones here, S6, right? All S6 pay you 300%, right? All S6 pay you 300%. While all X3, these ones are X3, they pay you
Pay to
to 200%. They pay you to
yeah.
200%, right? They pay you to 200%, right?
Like level 1.
This is how they work. So this is how the tactile metrics work. S6 pay you 300%, while X3 pays you to 200%. For instance, let's see, for instance, let's try to do small, it's very, very small calculation now. All right, let's try to do a small, very, very small calculation that you will understand. Yeah, let's do a small calculation. Let's go back to the two major parts of the business. You will understand how these two parts work. Right. These are the two major parts of the business. These are the two major parts of the business. We have the X3 and then the S6. So this is it. This is how it pays you money. This is how it pays you. So this is you in the middle. This is you in the middle here. Once you activate any level, any S6 metrics, you're going to get something like this. Anybody you bring to the business activates the business, is also going to get something like this. So this is what is going to happen. Once you activate a level, you get something like this. So you're going to get payment in one, right? One payment, two payments, and then three payments. So these two here, the ones close to you, you're not going to get payment. These are the spillover part of the business. We call them the spillover. This is how all the community grows, right? This is the spillover part of the business. This is where people are just going to sign up in the business, and then they're going to get payment for signing up. Nobody in the business, they will just be sitting down, they're sleeping, maybe they will just wake up and then open their wallet. We have several testimonies like that. Even if I don't like you and then you are in the business already, you are going to get money in any S6 that you activated, right? Any S6. And then the S6 metrics, they are more than the X3. They are more than the X3. The S6 are more than 8, while the X3, they are only 4. So you have all the chances of you making money is very, very high in the business, right? So the last one here pays for this particular level again, assuming, let's say this is level 5. Level 5 is $80. Level 5 is $80. What it simply means is this. Level 5 is $80. You have activated level 5. You're going to get 3 payments. That's times 3, right? Times 3, right? You're going to get times 3 of your money,
Of the
right?
$50.
80 plus 80, 160 plus another 80. That's 240. So you're going to get 240 of this particular, what do you call it? S6.
Level.
Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
So you're going to get $240. Right? So
Yes.
while on this X3, right? So assuming this is level 11, right? You have activated this business to level 11. You have activated up to the level 11. You are going to get only level 11 is $5,240. So what it means is this. You're going to get $5,240, $5,260 rather, $5,260 times 3.
That's three.
So that's over $15,000, $15,700 only on one level in the business. Only on one level of the business, right? And that is how you make money from S6 metrics, right? So you make money on the X3 by direct partnership, right? Direct partnership is that you assure and guarantee for 100% certainty that you're going to make money from anybody that purchased the level after you. Anybody that purchased the level after you is that anybody you give your link to, anybody you give your link to, and then the person signs up. Anytime the person is activating any of his X3 metrics, you're going to get it. So you're going to get, assuming this is level 6 is $160. You're going to get $160 here, right? $160 here, $160 here. And the last one is $160. So, but since the level is $160, you're going to get paid, right? We call it other people's money, right? You're going to use other people's money, or the system is going to use other people's money to activate that particular level for you, and then you continue to earn over and over and over again. That is how you make money in the business, right? I don't have a live account on this particular device. I will have shown you how I cycle some of my levels, right? You can cycle any level as many times as possible. So for instance, this is level this particular level I'm giving an example, level 6. You can cycle this level 10 times, right? You can cycle this level 10 times, you can cycle it 20 times, 30 times. If you cycle it 10 times, that means you have gotten $320 times 10. So imagine the possibilities in this business. There is enormous opportunities, enormous money to be made in this particular business, right? That is why we take our time to explain the business as much as possible, right? Try as much as possible to explain, and then for you to be able to understand. A lot of opportunities out there, but this is far, as far as I'm concerned, the best opportunity out there, the best that you can get, right? The best you can get. If you have any question, you can drop it right now. I'll be able to, let me try as much as possible to answer it before we close the meeting, right? If you have any question, just ask me before we close the meeting. All right, remember, we have cashback reward. We have, you make your 300%, 200% in S6, 300%, you make 200% on any X3 metrics. That is how this particular business model is. Very, very simple and straight to the point. Your first coin that you need to buy, a lot of opportunities, right? A lot of opportunities. If you want to know how much money you're making in the business, just do 320. This particular 320 I said you're going to make in one cycle here, just multiply it by 1.6, right? 1,600 naira. Right now, $1 is 1,600. So do the calculation. Just imagine the opportunities out there. Level 11 pays you $5,000. Level 12 pays you $10,000. That is how amazing this opportunity is. You don't make money from the level you have not activated. That is why you activate as many levels as possible. You activate as many levels as possible because you don't make money from the level you have not activated, right? You don't make money from the levels you have not activated.
So
Let me
I want
share.
to ask a question.
Sir?
My question is, this level 1 to 5 that you are advised that someone
Yeah.
can start. So when because as we calculated it is about 240,000 naira.
Yeah.
248,000 naira, something like that.
Yes.
So what if my assurance they want to put this kind of money? How is my assurance? How long is it going to bounce back to profit?
Okay. You're 100% guaranteed that you're going to make money in the business, right? With 100%
Yeah.
certainty, you're going to make money in the business because, like, let me just open level 1 to level 5. Let me show you. Let's do a small calculation. Let's try and do small calculation before we run out of time. All right. So just follow me gradually now. So you have activated level 1 to level 5. These are the levels from here, right? These are the levels that you have activated. And then it's $155, right? $155. So in one cycle, see, let me just show you something. Only two payments on this level 5. Only two payments on this level 5 is $80 plus another $80,
160.
right?
Yeah.
Is your capital back?
160. Yes.
Yes, it's already
It's
back,
even more.
right?
Yes.
Just two payments on level 5. So that is how easy it is to make back your money. Very, very easy. And then one of the things that you need to even understand is that the moment any money you're spending, when you buy $5, this particular level, you're going to get $5 cash back. We call it TR. It's an energy token.
Wow.
That money is very, very important. That cashback is very, very important. So when you spend $150 activating these levels, you're going to receive 150 TR back to your wallet, first of all, right?
Hmm.
This TR is very, very important because it's going to be converted to money very, very soon. How do we know that it's going to be done? Because it has happened before. Some of us that started the business earlier, we were not receiving TR. There was an particular energy token that we were getting, right? There was a particular energy token we were getting. It was not TR, it was SFC. And then it is now being sold at $1, right? So you already receive your money back guarantee in the form of TR before you even
So,
start making real DAI. Do you understand?
hmm.
So that is
Hmm.
how the business works.
Okay, but do we have a specific time that we hope on the profit
Sir,
or any time it will come?
I didn't get you.
How long does it take?
Okay, now this TR, you get it immediately. You're activating the business. You get it immediately. While this
Immediately.
particular part is the one that you will not be able to determine, but you have gotten the TR already, but you're not going to determine how long you're going to make this money. So now this is it. How long can be you're waiting for spillover, right? How long can be,
Hmm.
let's say, assume you sign up the business to level 5, and then you personally have somebody that is signing up to level 5. You are going to start making money immediately. So if you sign up today, 1 to 5, and then you have somebody signing up today, 1 to 5, you have started making real DAI. In attachment or in addition to the TR that you have, you start making instantly. So the spillover,
No.
like I said, only level 3 works without spillover. Let me clear it so that you'll be able to see it. Only level 3 works without spillover. All the rest here, the rest that you have activated works with spillover. So you'll be sitting down and then you receive your reward in DAI. I can't tell you for 100% certainty when you're going to be getting this particular DAI. But if you're the one that is signing up the person, you get it instantly. But if you're waiting for
Hmm.
somebody, you're waiting for spillover, is going to, you don't know. You can sign up today and start making money today. You can sign up today and start making money tomorrow. So it depends on
How it comes.
The community, and then honestly, the community is very, very fast. It's hot right now. So that is why I'm even urging you to activate as many levels as possible. Right? Activate as many levels as possible. Please, this meeting is going to stop. So you can take your questions back to my DM, and then I'm going to be able to answer you. Right? I'm going
Thank
to be
you
able
so
to
much, sir.
answer you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.